In this video, we'll show you how to manage tasks, set reminders, collaborate with your team, and streamline your workflow seamlessly. Let's get started. Visit task.jalpi.com and log in to begin managing your tasks. If you already have an account, you can log in easily in multiple ways. Choose passwordless login by entering your email address or mobile number and verifying with an OTP. Or switch to password login and sign in using your email and password. For even faster access, you can also log in using Google or Microsoft. If you're a new user, simply enter your email address or mobile number and verify it using the OTP sent to you. Once verified, complete your registration by adding your basic details like your name, company information, and setting a password. That's it, you're ready to get started. After registration, choose a billing plan that best suits your needs. Start with a free trial or select a prepaid or postpaid plan for flexible and scalable usage. By selecting the free trial plan, you receive 1000 complimentary task credits with full access to all features. Here, you can have seamless one-to-one chats and efficient team discussions all in one place. Manage your tasks seamlessly, create, assign, and track progress in real time. In TaskJalpi Dashboard, your central hub for managing tasks, tracking progress, and staying organized. Here, you can quickly see an overview of your work. Total tasks, completed tasks, pending tasks, and ongoing progress all clearly displayed. Assigning a task in TaskJalpi is quick and easy. Start by adding a task title and description. You can also add a checklist if needed. Set the priority, then assign the task to a user or team. If the user is not available, simply click the plus icon to add them instantly. Select the due date and time. Choose a category to organize the task. If the category is not listed, use the plus icon to create a new one. If others need to stay informed, add them to the loop so they receive updates automatically. For repeating tasks, enable the repeat option and choose daily, weekly, monthly, or custom. You can also attach files, add links, set reminders, or record voice notes. Once done, click Assign Task, and your team is ready to start. Task List. You can quickly take action and customize how your work is displayed. Use Assign Task to create new tasks instantly, or export tasks to download task data when needed. Apply filters or use saved filters to find the exact tasks you're looking for. You can also adjust the date range, sort tasks by target date, and toggle parent tasks to control how tasks are viewed. These tools help you stay focused, organized, and in control of your workload. This is the Task Details view, where you can see all important information at a glance. Check who the task is assigned to, who created it, along with dates, priority, category, and current status. From here, you can update the task status, add comments, create subtasks, edit details, or send reminders. You can also manage checklists and track updates. My Tasks displays tasks that are specifically assigned to you. With Assign by Me, you can easily monitor tasks you have delegated to others. Stay informed by following critical work through subscribed tasks. And access previously removed items anytime using deleted tasks. To stream task templates, simplify repetitive work by allowing you to create and assign tasks faster. Predefine task details, enable quick assignment, just select users, set a due date, and assign in seconds. While the task directory helps you keep everything structured and easy to navigate. The Users section allows you to easily manage all members of your workspace. You can add new users, import users in bulk, view user details, and manage their status all from one place. The Daily Work Logs section helps you track time spent on tasks by each employee, giving clear visibility into work hours and activity details. You can filter logs by date, employee, or organization, and use search to quickly find entries by task ID or description. You can also add a new entry manually using New Work Log, making it easy to update missed or offline work. The Teams section allows you to create and manage teams effortlessly. You can add team members, assign team leaders, and organize users based on roles or departments. This helps improve collaboration, accountability, and task ownership across your organization. The Roles section lets you add and manage user roles easily. From here, you can edit roles and define permissions such as view, add, edit, or delete access for different modules. In Organization section allows you to manage all organizations you own from one place. Here, you can view organization details, status, and creation date. You can easily add a new organization, edit existing details, or remove an organization as needed, giving you full control over your workspace setup. Notes enables users to organize ideas and important information in a structured manner. You can create multiple lists, add notes, and efficiently edit and share as required. This feature supports better documentation, collaboration, and quick access to important updates. The Notifications section keeps you updated in real time. Here, you receive instant alerts for new tasks, remarks, and important updates. You can enable or disable device notifications and quickly review task details. In your Profile section, here, you can view and update your personal details including your name, email, and mobile number. Easily manage your profile photo, check billing details, view activity logs, access billing history, or change your password anytime. The Settings section allows you to configure notification preferences and reporting options for your organization. You can enable or disable task notifications based on task status, giving you full control over the alerts you receive. In the Reports section, you can generate daily summary reports or create custom task reports for a specific date range. Reports can be filtered by task type and status, scheduled automatically, or sent instantly in Excel format, providing clear insights into task progress and performance. You can use task.jalpi.com as a progressive web app directly from your Chrome browser. Open the website and log into your account. Enter your email ID and verify the OTP. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, install the app. Then select Add to Home Screen, then choose Create Shortcut and click Add. Once added, task.jalpi.com will open like a dedicated app, giving you a faster and distraction-free task management experience. If you enable notifications, you will receive task updates and reminders directly on your phone, ensuring you never miss important tasks or deadlines. Thank you for watching. Task.jalpi.com is designed to support efficient task management, seamless collaboration, and reliable outcomes.